Hello friends, how are you doing all? Now today I am recording this video to tell something about what you should do in this lockdown period while sitting at home, because learning should not be stopped. Now I am offering one course called CWM, Chartered Wealth Management. The word is chartered. You all know, you are aware of the word CA, Chartered Accountancy. What is CA? CA is expertise in accountancy and in taxation. It's expertise in accountancy and taxation. There's lots of hard working involved to do CA and to pass CA. Because I have teaching a lot of CA student also, I know what they going up to. Okay, so I am offering a very practical course where you should not involve in studying only, although you have to work with study. This is a course, it's a practical course, not at all theory course. It's not that you have to mugging up something by sitting at home. Rather, you have to understand the logic behind the matter and you move ahead. So you can do what you're doing right now with this course. This course is not demanding that you should sit at home 24 hours and just study. No, this is not a way of studying anything. This course is deal with wealth management. Wealth management is a very broad area, very broad area. It covers all the factors of finance, like banking, like investment banking, like currency management, forex management, like loan management, how is loan applied and what are the types of loan, how the loan given to the companies, how they borrow from uh, international loan, international countries they borrow loan, how, what are the procedures of that, all these things. There's something called equity research, you have to understand something in a very practical way. uh, Bond valuation, what is bond valuation, currency valuation, currency management. There's something called alternative investment fund. You have all aware that in today world and in coming days, this is a growing area. Private equity, venture capital, alternative investment, these are the areas which you should focus on right now. This area requires brain, this area requires professionalism. There's lot of technical things involved in these areas. These are all covered in wealth management. Wealth management is a very interesting course. You should not sit at home and just going mugging up and nothing is like that. It's a very professional course. In a very systematic way you have to study. Just around one and a half hour in a house, that's enough. Because you don't have to mug anything, you don't have to calculate anything. We are not here a professional to calculate or to mugging anything. Rather, we have to analyze the things and give advice. This is our job. We are not sitting to calculate, we are not accountant, believe me. So this course is a course which gives you a lot of potential to fight the competition which are coming in the world. This is an international course, but it's governed in India also. In India, we have to give a investment advisory exam through NISM, Certified Investment Advisory. But after completing this course, you don't have to give any CIE exam. Automatically, you became the investment advisor by Government of India. NISM recognize this course as a investment advisory. He give you the certificate of investment advisory also. So after completing CWM, you got Chartered Wealth Management number 1, number 2 investment advisory course. This course, number 1, is a very economical, very economical. Through all other courses you have seen, this course is very economical. It's interesting, it's very interesting. You is in a very economically you can achieve the certificate called chartered wealth management, and there are lot of respect because the charter word is involved in this course. Chartered wealth management. This course is provided offering by AAFM body, AAFM, American Association of Financial Management body of USA, AAFM body of USA. I am the faculty of this course. I am connected with the AFM body. So you do have any query, any you want a demo, any query, anything, I am here to help you. Just think of this course. If you want to pursue in your life, you want to raise your level, you want to just open your mind, intellectual mind, and you have to develop something new, this course is for you. Believe me, this course is for everyone. You should go for this course. Thank you.